End call node fires right before Dograh terminates the connection. Every path in the workflow should eventually reach the end call node. The name describes the ending context. Call logs will show this. The prompt is the final instruction for Alex before the line cuts. This one tells him to keep it under one sentence, vary the close based on outcome, payment confirmed, already paid, or wrong number, and say nothing else after the delivery. The prompt can reference gathered context variables, pull in the specific commitment Alex reached, and confirm it back before hanging up. The add global prompt option works here too. If your persona rules apply to the closing exchange, you can turn it on. Enable variable extraction runs an LLM pass before hangup. So if you still need to capture anything from the closing exchange, you can turn it on. Any agent node without a route to end call leaves a call in unresolvable state. Review the canvas for dead ends before publishing and make sure every agent node is connected after all to the end call node. We can either use an end call node or an end call tool to terminate a call. So when you go inside tool section, you can actually add an end call tool to terminate a call, and it's a good practice to not have both attached to the same node. So here I have not selected the end call tool as I already have the end call node which will terminate the call. We can also have different end call nodes for different reasons of call termination. For example, call me back later can have a dedicated node, and on the other hand, positive closure or a wrong number can have their dedicated end call nodes. In the next video, we are going to discuss the QA analysis node. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time.